Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through on how to download and install Triller on iPhone. So if you want to download and install Triller on your phone, here's a quick guide on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do is open up your Apple Store on your phone. Once you open it, then you have something like this. Then tap on the search icon at the right down corner of the screen. Just tap on it, then use the search bar at the top, then search for Triller. Just type in Triller, and that's it, Triller. Then just wait for the Apple Store to search in for the keyword. Then you can now install it. Now go to this it here, which is Triller show video and clip. Just tap on get. Then it's gonna take a while for your Apple Store to source the app and get it downloaded to your phone. So in the process of you downloading the phone, your Face ID will be requested for just for the Apple for the store to be sure that you're the one that is installing this app. So if your Face ID is enabled on your phone, you can just scan it then to download the app. And if yours is not enabled, you just input your your Apple ID password so that you could be able or have access to the app. And if this option is not on, which is you using your Face ID or your Apple ID password to download any app from your Apple Store, then you can just proceed, then tap on download. Then after the app has successfully been downloaded to your phone, then the installing process will take place. After that, you can now go back to your home page, then you can now start navigating within the app. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.